Hello my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome and well today. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for spending this little time with me today. As you can see, I do have my Christmas background. This is from Amazon. And I've had this a long time ago. A long time. I think it was about 2017-ish. I got this. It's from Amazon. Amazon has tons of Christmas backgrounds and it looks so pretty, so I thought, you know what, let me put it up. I have quite a few different Christmas backgrounds. This is one of my favorites and I'm just in the Christmas spirit. I don't know why. I am in a good mood. I have no idea why. So anywho, so today we are going to share a little bit of my skincare routine. Let me just put my hair behind my ear and I'm just going to take the Simple Kind to Skin. This is a facial wipes, makeup remover, or whatever you want to call it. And I like this one. This is really nice. Again, Simple Kind to Skin has really, really good products. And so I had makeup on my face and I removed some of it already. So I'm just going to take this. And I don't really have a lot of makeup on my face, as you can see. So I'm just going to make sure all of the makeup is removed from my skin. I was actually testing out some makeup products earlier today. I was just basically playing in makeup and I wanted to record a video, but then I was busy talking to myself and then I realized I did not press the record button, so I thought, what the hell. So I'm just going to make sure all of the makeup is removed because I was playing in some glitter as well. And you know, when you play with loose glitter, it's sometimes so hard to remove. And you have to be so careful that it doesn't get into your eyes because it can cause major irritation. So you have to always make sure that you use a glitter glue when you're using loose pigments. Okay. I do have a few bumps here and there on my face. I have this pimple here that refuses to go down. This one is getting better and the one on my forehead is basically disappearing. It doesn't matter how much you try hard with your skincare routine, you always end up with pimples all the time. And I try my best to not to touch my face because, you know, we're always touching things all the time. A box, you know, a broom, something in your kitchen, something in the bathroom, and then by the time you touch your face, you know, you break out. So I have to always be mindful not to touch my face with my hands. Okay, so I'm going to be using this mud mask. This is from GlamGlow. This came in my September Boxy Charm, and this is a mud mask. And I always like to use a brush, a clean brush, to put on my mask because I'm not going to use my hands to touch my face. And I'm just going to open this up. Okay, remove the cover. Ah, this smells really, really, really nice. So I'm just going to take my brush. This is the product right here. And I'm just going to put this all over my face. I think you have to leave this on for about 10 minutes and then wash this off. And I always recommend using a brush to put on your mask. You do get better application. And of course, I always try to avoid the eye area as much as I can. And this seems to have some huge particles in it. I guess it really does help to stimulate and open up those pores and remove all of the dirt that's lodged into your skin. And I like to go under my chin as well. And when you put this mask on your face, you will feel a little tingling, and this means that the product is working. So you see, when you use a brush, it really helps to distribute the product all over your face. I'm not quite sure if you can see that there are little particles all over this mask. So I will keep this on for at least 10 minutes, and then I'm going to remove it. So right away you do feel the stimulating and the slight tingling on your skin. And so again, this remains on for 10 minutes And I'm going to wash this off, and I'm going to come back and show you the rest of the steps. So this is about 10 minutes, guys. As you can see, I can hardly move my mouth. That's because this is so nice and tight on my face. And if I come close, you can see the little particles on here. So let me go wash this off, and I'm going to come back and let you guys know what the rest of my routine is like. It feels really good. Okay, my loves, as you can see, my face is wet because I just rinsed off the mask and there was nothing on the towel, as you can see. Okay, it's nice and clean, so I'm just going to wipe my face. So my face feels so good right now, nice and clean and fresh. And I always like to use a face towel whenever I'm doing my facial all the time. I have never ever used my bath towel on my face. That is just nasty, okay? Always use a face towel, a separate towel on your face, because you use your bath towel to, to dry your feet and the rest of your body. You don't want to put your bath towel on your face, a face towel. That's why they make face towels. So next, I like to go in with my Paula's Choice Pore Reducing Toner. And I like to use the exact same face towel to do this. This is almost finished, and I do have another one. So I just put a little drop on there. And I just put this all over my face. This really helps to brighten the skin, even out the skin tone, balance your skin really, really nicely. My skin feels so good right now. It feels amazing. I can still feel the slight tingling from the mask on my skin, and it feels really, really good. And I love this toner from Paula's Choice. It really helps to brighten up the skin, minimize those pores. It doesn't have any parabens, anything that will damage the skin, no alcohol. It is a really, really, really good primer. I love this one. Highly recommend it for you guys. This is what it looks like. It's called Paula's Choice. Okay, so after I'm done using my toner, I like to use the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant from Paula's Choice again. I love this so much. I do have the bigger one here, okay? So this is a tiny one that I'm trying to finish, which I had a very long time. So I just bought this one to show you that I really love this product so much. Here is the bigger one. So I like to take a cotton pad. And you can put this on with your hand if you want, but I try to avoid, using any products, any skincare products with my hand. I just like to use a cotton pad, so I put a few drops of this on the cotton pad, and I just put this all over my face. You may just get some cotton on your skin, but that's okay. It's just from the cotton pad. And when I'm done that, I just use my hands just to remove all the cotton pads from my face. And I just blend this all over my skin. And you don't have to rinse this off. This really makes your skin feel nice and glowy. It is so lovely. And if you do have little cotton pads on your face, just remove it. It's just from the cotton pads. And there we go. And this is what you call a liquid exfoliant. You can wear this under your makeup, but I like to use this at night before I go to bed. And then I'm just going to go in with my night moisturizer. And this is from Loreal Paris. Okay. Triple active for all skin types. This is the night moisturizer. I do have the one for the day. So I'm just going to use my finger, just like so. Put a little bit in my hand. And I'm just going to put this all over my face. And this is really giving my skin some really good treatment. And just a slight massage all over the face. I just use my fingers and I just massage everything upwards, just above the eyes. And this moisturizer from L'Oreal Paris is really nice and light. And then this is my Energy Beauty Bar. You guys would have seen this before. It comes in a nice little package like that. This is from Amazon. And I just put this on, okay? And I just give myself a little massage. And this feels so good on the skin. Oh my God, it feels really good. And I always like to massage upwards. This beauty bar is an added benefit for me because when I'm finished with all of my skincare treatments, I like to just go in with the massager just to give my skin that extra boost. And so all of my beauty products will be working because then I'm going to be stimulating the blood flow on my skin. And I just do this for just a few minutes. And I just like to just take it right around the nose, like that. And then here, I just bring it down. And I always try to avoid the thyroid area. And the last thing I use is this tool from Garnier Skin Active. This is the Anti-Puff Eye Roller. And let me just take it out. But this is what the packaging looks like, just in case you guys want to get it. And I like to keep this in the refrigerator. Okay, this is what the product looks like. It has a beautiful roller ball to the end. And you just have to, you don't even have to shake this up. The product is already in there. And I just like to roll this under my eyes just to avoid any puffiness. Just like so, at least you can see the product there. Just under my eyes. Just massage it for a couple of minutes and I just go over the eye as well. So I tap this all over my eyes just a little bit, but I don't tap it in too much because I really want the product to work just around my eyes to get rid of the puffiness and the dark circles. So when I'm looking for that intense skincare treatment, especially overnight, this is the step that I take. I do have other masks that I use, but I do like this one from GlamGlow. And again, this toner is from Paula's Choice. This is what it looks like, okay? The 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. This is a liquid exfoliant. It's going to exfoliate your skin overnight and you're going to wake up in the morning with beautiful glowing skin. This is the bigger one here, so I'm trying to finish this one. I love these products so much. And of course, this is my night cream from L'Oreal Paris. This is my anti-puff eye roller. And of course, the last step that I took was using my massager just to make all of the products work together on my skin. And after I'm finished tapping this eye roller around my eyes, I don't put my hands on my face, okay? And I like to sleep on my back, so I don't have my face in my pillow. You know what I mean? So I'm going to leave all of these things in the description box for you guys just in case you want to follow these steps, and your skin is going to look lovely and glowing and bright and fresh, and it's going to feel so good. And I think the most important thing, you have to make sure the pores are clean, and always remember to use a face towel when you are doing your facial. Do not use your bath towels on your face, for God's sake. Do not do that. That's why they make face towels, okay? I mean, I had this face towel for a long time. I got this one from Superdrug, and if I bring that close, this towel is completely white, okay? I will go in with a toner with this. I can even use my Garnier micellar water, and this is not going to turn yellow. This is always going to be white. And I have a couple of these, and again, I got them from Superdrug, and they're so good. So any face towel will do. This is actually a makeup remover towel, but I use this as a face towel. And I have been using this one face towel for as long as I can remember. So I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. And I do hope you enjoyed today's video. And of course, you can let me know what your skincare nighttime routine is. My name is Odette. Thank you for watching. I shall see you next time. Bye.